Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a selvage stitch. So let's get to it. After casting on, you're going to knit one row. Place some weight and you're going to unravel the stitch on the needle closest to the carriage and place the yarn underneath the needle and knit one row. On the needle closest to the carriage, unravel the stitch and place the yarn underneath the needle and knit one row. The swatch on the right is the one without the selvage stitch, and as you can see between the rows we have these little bumps. The one on the left hand side is the one with the selvage stitch, and as you can see it has a nice smooth edge. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you would like to see more, click on the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.